guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Karishma here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about plum moisturizer and plum cream. So I'm using this product since a month, so I thought it's the right time to talk about these products. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so here is my plum moisturizer. So this is the outer packaging, and it actually works on almost all skin types, from normal to sensitive to dry ones. Okay guys, so it comes in a tube type of packaging, as you can see, and you can carry it easily in your bags. And talking about the ingredients, it has aloe, vitamin A, glycerin. This helps to keep your skin nourished throughout the day, as well as this make your skin healthy and glowing. So this is everyday kind of moisturizer. You can apply this on regular basis. So okay, so now I'm going to show you its texture. Guys, trust me guys, these are very smooth, very soft. It just quickly absorbs in your skin. You can see. Yes, the best thing about this moisturizer is that it has no silicons, no parabens and no harsh chemicals. So it's best for your skin, as well as suits all type of skin, all kind of skin type. Okay. So acne is a problem of a lot of us, and we suffer from it from day to day, and the scars that they leave behind are too worst. What a night gel cream by Plum. So this is the outer packaging guys, so I'm going to show you the inner one. Okay, so this is a small kind of card which provide all type of information which the product has. So oh my god, look at the packaging, so safe. Okay, so here it comes. So you can see here, this is a solid kind of packaging and it looks so good. So this is the best night cream gel I would suggest for oily skin type, and if you have any scars and if you have any skin problem, then I would suggest you this cream. Since I'm applying this, before applying this cream, I used to suffer a lot because of all the scars which I had on my skin. So now I think this is the best cream, and the fragrance is too good guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this and show how it actually works on your skin. Okay, so this was my experience for this plum night cream and plum moisturizer. I will give the link in the description box, and if you want to purchase this, you can definitely go through that link. And that's all for today. And if you do like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and comment down below for more and more such videos. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a nice day.